Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ford Escape versus Toyota RAV4. We'll dive into their key differences, helping you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll cover performance, interior features, and overall value. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of each vehicle's strengths and weaknesses. Let's get started and explore these popular options side by side. When it comes to power, the Ford Escape offers a range of engines, including a potent 2.0-liter EcoBoost with 250 horsepower. Its plug-in hybrid variant delivers 210 total horsepower. The Toyota RAV4 counters with a 2.5-liter gas engine producing 203 horsepower and an impressive 302 total horsepower in its plug-in hybrid model. Both offer efficient hybrid options, with the Escape Hybrid achieving up to 39 miles per gallon combined, matching the RAV4 Hybrid's 39 miles per gallon combined. Inside, both SUVs prioritize comfort and connectivity. The Ford Escape provides up to 65.4 cubic feet of cargo space, with the rear seats folded. The Toyota RAV4 offers slightly more, with 69.8 cubic feet. For technology, the Escape features Ford's Sync 4 system with an available 13.2-inch touchscreen. The RAV4 comes with an 8-inch or available 10.5-inch touchscreen. Both include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus advanced driver assistance systems for enhanced safety. When considering long-term value, the Toyota RAV4 consistently stands out for its exceptional reliability and impressive resale value, often depreciating only about 21% after 5 years. The Ford Escape, while a solid choice with a good reliability rating of 7.5 out of 10, typically sees a higher depreciation of around 48% over 5 years. Ultimately, your best choice depends on your priorities. If resale value and long-term dependability are key, the RAV4 often has an edge. For a balance of features and performance, the Escape remains a strong contender. And speaking of great deals, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.